Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to install drivers on your Windows computer, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to update Windows through Windows settings. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. In the settings menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, click on Advanced Options. Scroll down to optional updates and click on it. If any optional update is available, please install the same. Next is using the manufacturer's website. Now this depends on the brand. For example, in my case, Asus is the brand, so I'll go to asus.com and download the latest drivers. The third is through the Intel Driver and Support Assistant. Go to intel.com, search for the Intel Driver and Support Assistant in the Intel search bar at the top right corner, download the tool and run it on your system. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.